Well, Emily, it's not too bad right now. The roads are looking fine. Boylston Street right over my right shoulder. But earlier this morning, Boston Public Works reported having 700 pieces of equipment out in the city to help clean up the streets. And those crews certainly had their hands full early this morning as the snow remained constant and the wind was gusting at times. The snow emergency meant that there were essentially no cars in Boston and the streets were clear because the city towed. But people were out heading to work, some even playing hooky, enjoying the first major snowstorm of the year.
Supposed to be working, so we are working, just taking a quick break for checking it out.
We took the day off. We're just hanging around, walking around town.
We just moved back in the city about a year ago, and this is our first big snowstorm, so we're out enjoying it. Wishing something was open. Go get a beer or something.
And we also saw some creative ways people were moving around the city today, including one runner who was wearing shorts out for a jog. The vast majority of people we spoke to were happy to see all this snow, even if it means they'll be spending a little bit of time this afternoon cleaning it all up. We're live in Boston. Matt Reed, WCVB News.